Alright, so another television review for you, but this time this is the television that everyone had been asking us to showcase. This is the Xiaomi Mi TV 4. I'm sure you know about this, we've spoken about it, and it's doing pretty great because I can only imagine, because on a daily basis or on a weekly basis I get around 15-20 queries about this television. So I can only imagine how many queries Xiaomi would be getting, and this is a 55-incher which has almost taken the whole of my table, which is a huge table. It can actually sit like 3 people here, and this is 55-incher and it costs only 39,999 rupees. So that is the USP. Second, of course, is this 55-incher. It's a 4K television. So again, I mean, a 4K television, nothing less than 70-80 grand. Here, just 40, half the price. Third thing is, this is the world's slimmest television. We are talking about a thickness of 4.9 mm, as you can see, slimmer than a smartphone. And just to put things in perspective, this is the iPhone 10 and it measures 7.7 mm, right? This is 4.9, so it's actually very slim. So it's going to occupy the whole table. You put it on the wall and it's going to just look flawless. So what you get are these metal stand which holds it quite sturdily, otherwise everything is plastic. The bezels are also quite thin bezels, and you have a lot of screen, a lot of display. The screen to body ratio is just fantastic, right? Now the thing about this, which is again a very good part about television, is something called patch wall UI. This Xiaomi's own UI, and they've done a pretty intelligent job with this. So the intelligent part is that, as you can see, no matter if you put your DTH also, it's actually quite friendly for your set-top box and DTH and cable, because what it does that, besides all the content that Xiaomi is already providing you here, your DTH content, everything gets seamlessly integrated together and it's presented in a nice format. So movies will have movies not only from the content provider but also from your DTH. So if you're watching something on say Star Movies or HBO or anything, everything is going to come under movies. Similarly for TV shows and kids shows. So no matter what the source, television or online content, everything is seamlessly put together for you and it just goes on, right? Go to home and it's just infinite scrolling. And navigation is also good because of this remote that you get. It's pretty lightweight, it's 11 button remote and no brainer, so you can easily go about doing it. If I talk about connectivity option, there are 3 HDMI ports and 2 USB. One of them is 3.0, other is 2.0. It gets connected to your Wi-Fi. It is a smart television, and also if you want to use your Ethernet, you can do that as well, right? And looking at the price, I think it's fantastic for gaming. Now, if I talk about the display quality, it's good. The colors, the contrast, the black levels are quite decent. But I would suggest that go and tweak the settings a bit for your liking. You're gonna get like that perfect sweet setting for where you can enjoy this content all the more. It is a little reflective, so I would suggest that if you're watching television, just dark, fantastic. If not, keep the lights minimum the room. The viewing angles are also pretty good. The other thing is that although there is a lot of content that Xiaomi is providing you, most of which is free, like say Hungama, Voot and Sony Live, but if you want to use Amazon, you can use that Fire Stick additionally. There's no app store, so you can't really get additional apps, say your Netflix, so that's going to be a challenge. Overall, I think it's a fantastic, it's like a total value for money smart television that you can buy right now in the market. I mean, nothing comes close to this. Picture quality is of course good for the price. Now everything is for the price, because you would say my Sony looks better, or of course they look better, but they cost like double to what you're getting over here. It's available in 3 sizes. There is 32-inch, which is priced around 13,999. Then there's a 43 incher which is priced around 22,999, and the 55 incher only for 39,999 rupees. A total value for money smart television. If you can get your hands on this, I don't think you will be disappointed.